Hey lovelies, how are you all doing? Welcome back to a new vlog. It's been a while I did a vlog because I've been busy and all of that, so I've just been doing more of like videos just so that I don't stop posting videos. But anyways, if today is your first time of seeing my face, my name is Abimbola Olanipekun. I film about faith, food, family and lifestyle. If this is the type of content you like, please do well to stick around by hitting the subscribe button and clicking on the notification bell so that each time I do a new video, you will be the first to know. And to all my amazing subscribers that always keep watching my videos, I really appreciate you all. In fact, you don't know how grateful I am for you all, because it's not easy to do a video and then you are not getting any feedback. But when you engage and you like and you share, it's always a thing of joy to know that people are really liking what you're doing. Really grateful for you. Today's vlog is a travel prep vlog. We're traveling to Belfast. Yay! We're traveling to Belfast, a family getaway kind of trip, and we are hoping that we'll enjoy it because we've not been to Belfast. Actually, we've not traveled to anywhere since we got to the UK. This is our very first trip outside of our vicinity, outside of our routine. Go to work, come to house, go to school. This is the very first time we are traveling together in this manner. And today I'm just going to prepare for the trip. I'm going to be packing and then doing some few things and getting ready for the trip generally. And I hope you enjoy watching this one. Stay tuned.
You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. As that comes as I go. God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors as the day comes, as I go. God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, go on with it. Do us. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. But we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life, man. But thank God for the journey, the burning, the dust, the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. Blessings fall from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that take off the big road one time? Sit down in a class and we pour then only see the road and me go on with the road. Word for me, say me tired thing. And you know it formed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credits and you sing, yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it soon, get the higher ring like hello, brother. Say I just shut ya. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, all in a live, man. Me have to thank God for the journey, the burning, the dust, the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall from my right hand. But I toast to the friends where they go. Me load one time, sit down in a class and we pour then only sit the road and me go on with it, go on with it. That's what blessings upon me. And send me to tell them a story. That's what blessings upon me. And that's why I'm gonna give him the job. Read from me the lies. You know some person even now.
Hi guys, done with my face. So I need to get some things at the store at Tesco's before they close. So I'm rushing there now. I'll catch you guys later. So windy. My scarf don't almost come out. Play another one. Wednesday. Summer outfit and
every day trying to put in the one outfit in one day. So let fit metal joke.
But all the same, she more extra, more ṣì mọ́ tops just in case mo kàn mú àwọn tops méjì ó máa tún mọ́ aṣọ tó máa wọ̀ sùn aṣọ 90 ẹ̀yìn mo mú 90 mẹ́ta lọ́la bọ́njú yìí lọ́la bọ́njú lọ́kọ̀ sọ́kọ̀tẹ̀ ó wọlé lọ́la eré pa sọ́ọ̀tì mẹ́ta fún náà. Makeba, mi
Kí a máa ṣàlù lọ́la, kí a máa ṣe ní báyìí.
Ìwò wọn mi létí kí ló kù.
Ọjà àti pẹ̀fún máa kún lọ́la. Airbrush. Fáyọ̀ ọ̀fẹ́. Owó ló kọ́ máa gbé lọ́pàálẹ̀. Mo táìmì ni.
Ṣe ìjábẹ́. Ìmú bàtà kọ̀ọ̀kan dání fọ́ọ̀mù.
So tight, coming closer. Never had a